Hey everybody, check out what I have here. I got some super light inner tubes for my tire. I have a road bike, and so I just want to show you guys what these are here. So you get a set of 2 of these, and look at this. This is ridiculously small and light, and this is going to be my new inner tubes for when I'm doing like some heavy duty long distance stuff. It's the 700, I think 700 millimeters, so it's that, but it is the tube for it, and it'll just connect up. Just Presta, it's just a Presta valve like a regular Presta valve, but how cool is that? But it's all kind of plastic up on this stuff here. So this is great. It'd be great for racing or anything like that. It's this bike inner tube, and it's made of TPU, and it's 700 by 23, which is my skinny little tires for the road bikes. So this is it here. So it's really cool. So hopefully I'll be showing you up in one of these corners me replacing my tire. I don't need to just yet, but when I get a flat sometime, I will update the video and be putting this one on. So how cool is this? Look how small that gets. Super awesome. Thumbs up for sure.